All right, you want to help Papa dig in the dirt? Want to dig in the dirt and play in the dirt? Right here. Oh, here. Want to help Papa with the potatoes? Want to dig up potatoes? Play in the dirt. Come here. Just dig. Want to help Papa dig? Dig in here with your hands. You want to clean off that?
Yeah.
All right. So how about this? How about
No.
no? Let's get it out here. All right, we'll dump them out here where the dirt is.
Okay.
Come here. Watch this. Let's just dump these out.
Okay.
Just like this. See? Hold on. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Let's look here and see how many potatoes we get.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Over here. Right here. Let's see. Oh, look at all the potatoes. We got 1, 2, 3. Is that all we got? Did all we get out of that one was 3 potatoes?
Yeah. Potato.
I think that's all we got.
Yeah.
We'll stick that right up there. That's, yep, just 3 potatoes. All right, you ready for the next one? Here, hold those. You want to hold these? Okay, no, we're gonna take those inside. We're gonna eat
Where you
those.
want them held at, like this bucket or something?
We can just, I don't know, just set them over here so I can show all of them when I get them done. Hold on, ready for more? All right, do you want to do that? Would that make you happy? All right, here we got more. Ready for more? Here we go. See how many potatoes we got here. Oh, look at that worm. Look at that, we got a really cool worm. We'll let that worm stay over there. Whoop, look, there's a potato.
Beckett.
Come here,
Hey, no.
Well, we didn't do too good this year. There's
Okay.
2. We only got 2 this time. Oh, wait. Oh, look at this little baby one. There's 3. That's it. No, wait. There's another little baby one. There's 4. That's all we got out of that one was 4. All right. Let's put these over here, and then we'll look at the bag. Oh. All right, you ready for the bag?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Oh, there's 1. There's 2. 3.
2.
Leave those alone, BK.
4. Super baby one, we'll count that one. 5. Whoop, oh, wait. Oh, well, that's the one that it grew from.
Okay.
Oh, you have another really small
Yep.
baby one right there.
6. 7. Oh, 8. 9. 10, 11. There's 3 there. Yep, there we go. I think 11. That was it. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So let's go over and look at all of our potatoes. Alrighty, so there's I think around 18 little tinky potatoes there that I got off of those few small ones. That's a really small one right there. Anyway, that's our potato harvest this year. It was fun, we'll put it that away.